5 positive habits that will impact your life. Do you want to change your life in a few minutes each day? Stick around to transform your day with these life-changing habits. Number 1, morning boost. Start your day with meditation, stretching, and goal setting to energize your morning. Number 2, expand your mind. Dedicate 30 minutes each day to learning something new to keep your mind sharp. Number 3, eat wise. Fuel your body with nutritious foods to stay vibrant and healthy. Number 4, unplug daily. Take a tech break daily to recharge and reconnect with the world around you. Number 5, reflect and grow. End your day with a reflection on what you've learned and how you can improve. Which habit are you excited to start? Comment below and hit like if you're ready for a change. Don't forget to follow for more transformative tips. Join the journey. For more insights, like and follow.